Sticklers CleanStixx fiber cleaning tools are engineered by fiber cleaning experts to outperform regular cleaning sticks or swabs. CleanStixx are made for industrial users, both at the factory workbench and in the field for new installations, routine maintenance, and service cleaning. They come in 5 different sizes to clean virtually any fiber optic ferrule end face, in any configuration, inside hard-to-clean alignment sleeves. They are suitable for use on military connectors, telecom cables, and even high-powered fiber. The offset cleaning tip prevents it from touching the surface if set down, to avoid transferring contamination. The precisely molded flat tip scrubs the entire end face, not just the central core or contact zone, for thorough cleaning of even heavily soiled end faces. The thousands of ultra-clean sintered polymer fibers don't contain fabric, foam, glue, or particulate to leave on end faces. Under pressure, CleanStixx fibers expand and conform to the end face geometry to absorb oils, dust, and other contaminants. During cleaning, incidental contact of the alignment sleeve and the fiber sidewall of the cleaning tip traps contaminant on the CleanStixx. Dissipate electrostatic charges by using wet-dry cleaning with CleanStixx and Sticklers fiber optic splice and connector cleaner fluid. Unique drop and stop geometry keeps the cleaning stick from rolling away when placed on a flat surface. The molded tabs also make CleanStixx easier to grip for better cleaning control. CleanStixx are color-coded for easier size identification and selection at a glance, and come in high-purity self-sealing bags to keep them clean. CleanStixx are engineered to clean male and female 2.5mm, 2mm, 1.6mm, and 1.25mm ferrule sizes. The unique configurations and geometries engineered into each size stick provide maximum cleaning performance for specific connectors, including those used in military and aerospace applications. Take your fiber cleaning skills to expert level with the tools engineered and patented by the fiber cleaning experts. When you need perfectly clean splices and connectors, visit sticklerscleaners.com.